I'm nervous already. I'm nervous. Okay, so we're gonna be doing a quick challenge today where I first draw with my right hand, then with my left hand, because I have a guest that's ambidextrous. And I wanna see how hard it is to draw with the right and with the left. When you see how he draws, you understand why my curiosity, because he makes it seem so easy. But it's not. So I'm just gonna be doing a quick portrait. 10 minutes in the clock. We're gonna see what we come up with. Let's loosen up the hand a little bit. I'm just gonna do a portrait of myself. I'm gonna cheat a little bit, just speed up the process. I'm gonna do a asymmetry line. Too many things to keep track of. There we go. So the best thing to do at first is to start marking the territory. Start marking everything. I'm gonna try to push it as much as I can in 10 minutes, and it'll only be a sketch. Of course, I'm erasing, I'm deleting. This thing is easy with this hand. We got 8 minutes. We probably do 5 and 5 just to save time. Alright, so now we have a frame. We can start getting into some of the details. Okay, so we're gonna go for the full 10 minutes. We got 3 minutes left, and I'm right now not doing much, just adding a couple of details. Nothing's too significant at this point. Let me see if I can just add some of this coloring. I'm just dabbing super light. 2 minutes left. So the trick is in investing time into it. Time into it. Time is up. Okay, so that was 10 minutes with the right. Now we're gonna do 10 minutes with the left. Same image, everything. This is gonna be a little harder overall because of maneuvering everything. I'm nervous already. I'm nervous. Okay. Can't even get started. Okay, so this is tough. Can't even get a straight line. Okay. And I'm cheating because it's duplicate, but I don't think I can do this without it being duplicate. Even the hotkeys is a bit harder. So I took out the color. Yeah, no, this is way too hard. It's like learning how to walk all over again. So, Kenley, the way he does it with paper and pencil. He doesn't even have the ease that I have, like by making it symmetrical and just increasing the size of the brush. So he's doing all this from scratch, and not even like that I can do this. So much respect to this guy, man. And the other thing is he also doesn't use a lot of references, which is insane to me. So he has a big mental library already. And I'm 6 minutes in, and this is what I have so far. That's probably techniques that left-handed people do. It's like I think they look at the right side of the paper to do things easier, but that's what I'm trying in this stage. But it's not easy at all. Looks like a different person. You got 4 minutes left. Damn, why the time was so fast when it was on the left hand, but on the right it felt like time went by normal. Sheesh. Almost done. That's the good news. Let's start adding some shadows. I'm less methodical too with my left hand. I'm like planning a little less and looking less at what the image really looks like. But this is a challenge and a half. Yeah, look like Wolverine over here. And we got 3 minutes left. I don't feel like I could add anything else, but let's see. Okay, we got that little thing under the lips. Can't even see anything else, because if I feel like if I start adding more things, I'm gonna mess it up. Left hand. Okay, we got something. Looks like somebody that I used to know. And I'm switching color brush by pressing C on my keyboard, erasing and adding. Time is up. So let's compare. Time is up, as you can see right here. Now we're gonna compare the two images. So in this one, my head, it takes the form and the form. So pretty much with my right hand, I have more control over forms, I have more control overall. So here we have the right and the left. Pretty much just on the left, less control, more scribbles, more Scrabble on this side. On the right, I see the shapes. It looks like me, of course, a little more. But I'm surprised how I did with my left too. I wasn't expecting accuracy so you can tell where the eye is, and the nose is, the mouth. So it has the structure of a person, just that it's not clean. It doesn't look like me. Kind of like the braids more on the left. And the eyes too. I like the eyes shape on the left, even though the right has more details in the eye. But I feel like on a regular day I would have done a sketch. I would have done a sketch like this one on the left and just call it something. But yeah, I had a hard time looking at the image and drawing with my left hand. I don't know why. Let me know what you think about this little challenge, and if you would like to see more challenges, write them in the comment down below. Give me a thumbs up if you like the challenge, and stay tuned for the interview with Kenley. And if the interview's already here, go watch the interview. Never stop learning for you. Always push yourself. Yeah, this was tough. This was tough. This was fun. Thank you for watching. Never stop learning for you, because when you learn, you can teach others. Peace out. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on social media. And if you like the video, click the like button. If you want to see more videos, click the video in the middle. And don't forget, never stop learning for you.